Hi guys, welcome to my channel Geography with Nadunath. Today's very important topic, regional geography of the developed countries, is very special lecture for you. I talk about Canada and USA. Now start my in this session. All countries of the world are not equal developed on the basis of economic development. Various countries can be classified developed and developing ones. The developed group include those countries that have attained a high level of economic and social development and measured in the term of life expectancy and access to the various amenities and service. So today I explain about the Canada and US is very important for the competitive examination. Carefully listen to this session and you will comment, and you are new must will subscribe my channel, and there are many videos of this related topic. The Canada and USA, both these are country lie in the continent of the North America. In terms of area, the Canada and US are respectively the second and third largest country in the world, and these two countries along with the Greenland and Iceland, the Arctic Ocean, and continue their region often called the Anglo-America also. And most of the physical features of the continent of Anglo-America extend over the territory of both Canada and US, and therefore it is better to study the physical characteristics of these two countries together. The common study of Canada and as the USA also. And first know about the location, basically the Canada and USA. The Arctic Ocean form the northern boundary of the region, and the southern boundary in the marked by Mexico and the Gulf of Mexico. The boundary between these two countries is called the 49th parallel as the follow the latitude of 49 degree north. It is one of the largest continental area of the world, and from west to east, and both Canada and USA extend from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific, and Gulf of California lies the western sides in the region. The latitudinal extent and of the various part of the region are very important in the deciding the climate vegetation characteristics of each part. Most of the Canada extend north of the 49th parallel, and the Arctic Circle passes through it is the northern territory, also through the Alaska. The Tropic of Cancer runs south of US. The southmost of the town of the United States and Key West lies about the 10 kilometers north of the Tropic of Cancer, and therefore only a small portion of this mainland can be called tropical in the true and since the world large part of this land the Arctic. So definitely there are the longitudinally the landmass constituted by the Canada and USA extend between 10 degree and 170 degree west, and is very interesting. Although the continents of the North America travel from the north to south like the Africa and South America, and this tendency is only spatially visible the land masses and constituting in the Canada and US. So definitely there first we know about the structure and really features of the Canada, and these are condition the Canada and USA can be divided into four major region also, and there are first of all the Canadian and the Laurentian Shield in the northeast, and the Appalachian Mountain in the southeast, and separate from the Atlantic Ocean by the coastal plain and the rather region and the central plain and western highland also the Cordillera. And it's very interesting the Laurentian Shield, and this is the geographically the oldest part of the entire landmass of the North America. The shield is made of the ancient and crystalline rocks that raise and minerals, and during the long geographical history, and this part of the continent has witnessed several periods of the earth and building movements and title upwards now on the southern and eastern edge in the southern Cube and Labrador, respectively. And Hudson Bay of lower lands were marked by the younger sediments to the south, and the said extend beyond the Canada into the upper lake region and the Adriatic Mountain and the United States. It is the average highest has been the reduced to title to little more and the 300 meter by the long continent and ocean. And the Appalachian Mountain. There are the Appalachian Mountain of the North America to the southeast of the geologically and the stable region of the Laurentian Shield lies the Appalachian Mountains, and this the mountain line were folded influenced by the igneous rocks during the Paleozoic time, and there is in the Boulder zone in Newfoundland and the Maritime, and this basically Canada and northern New England and the Piedmonts are the New York and the part of this mountain system. Further west is never in the more intense fault. The Appalachian have been extremely denuded, and the high summit did not reach even 2,100 meter above the sea level. In the general, this is mountain system is considered and the world fold mountain system of the North America. So this is very more important, and there are the more about this physiography of the North America. The central plains. Also, the North America plains strays from this and the Arctic Ocean of the Gulf of Mexico and through the border both the Canada and U.S. Most part of this plain consists very gently folded sediments, rocks, and generally younger than those of the Appalachian. The youngest plain sediments are those of the broad low lands bordering the Gulf of Mexico and Central Plain. And on the plain, the state is along the Atlantic coast and west of the Mississippi, and the central lowlands rise gradually about 1,500 meter high plain in the Rockies mountain foothills also. And there are the Western Cordillera. This the highland occupy nearly third of the total continent area of North America. They found high complex system younger fall mountain which found there are the one main features of the structure is an alpine orogeny, and the orogeny refer to period of mountain building also, and they were built and the various times and during the late Mesozoic and Tertiary era also, and mainly due to the presence extended from the east and today from far to the circumspecific mountain belt and folding. There are the movements with the associate igneous activities raise the range the west to east and the Pacific coastal also the east, and where the Rocky Mountain from the principal rim part. Many part of the Western Cordillera are highly mineralized on their flank, and there are central plain situated some of the greatest wild field of the this world, and including those there are the different parts of the Appalachian. And now I talk about some. There are the portion of U.S. Canadian river have the played the great part of the human history in the North America continent, especially in the Canada and U.S. They were being used for the transport long, and there before European began to enter the continents. The large river of the continent still form very important inland waterways, and these flow variously into the Pacific, such as the Canada's Fraser and the United States, Colorado into the Atlantic, and not only there the St. Lawrence into the Hudson Bay, and Nelson it is the Arctic in the Mackenzie in the Gulf of Mexico, and the Mississippi several ocean rivers, especially for the Columbia and Scandinavia to the Colorado, and have recently been harnessed in the power generation and the irrigation to the east, and the Tennessee and number of north bank tributaries of the land St. Lawrence, and many part of the falling imagery of the Appalachian Atlantic Ocean coast have been harnessed the support power and the waterways of the Great Lakes and the lake laws of the river of the greatest inland water routes in the world. And the Mackenzie, Mississippi, and the and this very important river in this way, and the worlds, and the compare the Mackenzie, Mississippi, and St. Lawrence, the most notable river in the Canada and USA also, and flowing the northward for 3,600 kilometers to the Arctic Ocean, and collecting on the way much of drainage both of the northern Rockies and the Canadian and the Canadian Shield, and pass through very thinly populated region largely covered with coniferous forest, and also the Arctic Ocean, and that is not used much more heavy navigation also renders it is less important. In the addition suffer from flood after in the inundating extensive area during the early summer season. The flood occur there because while the snow melt in the southern part of its basin supplies large amount of water. The northern part of the coast in the still frozen a large area on the two sides of the remain, and the inundated still the ice melt and lower reaches of the river summer progresses. In the contrast, the Mackenzie, the Mississippi flow and southward to the delta by the warm and water of the Gulf of Mexico and through the well-developed, the formulated, and the farmlands, and from the west and the river receive the great and muddy and Missouri long then itself above the confluence several other mild rivers including the Arkansas and Red from the Appalachian come from Ohio into important tributary, and this is very important and has been built up to the higher level, and then that the flat plain area consequently and despite the constructional and also the flat well cultivated and populous countries causing large damage that does the Mackenzie. The Mississippi was gradually used and waterway point out there at the 18th and the early 19th century still, and there are the in the contrast the St. Lawrence flow eastern and the draining and the Great Lake into the Atlantic. It passes through the most densely populated part of the Canada and also several high industrialized potential of the United States. And also now explain there is the climate, some temperature due to the wide latitude and longitude extend the US Canada landmass and the various relief and continental region experiments, and there are the climate condition is the various part almost all part of the region have there are the warm to hot, and their climatic condition of the US and the Canada temperature due to the wide latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of US Canadian landmasses, and it is the varied relief, and this the continental region experience the very the climate condition. It varies almost all part of the region have warm to the north summer average July, and temperature there are the 32 degrees centigrade southwest to 10 degree and the northwest part of the mainland. Only on the Arctic margin and the high mountain area are cold, and the Atlantic and Pacific coast and especially fair they were the west and the cold, and the Labrador California currents and lies the warmer this the interior, and the regional varieties of the temperature are much large during the winter in the northern and part of mainland. The many in the January temperature rainfall around -3 degrees centigrade. In fact, the temperature is January and fall below. There are freezing points over the large part of the continental landmass, and significant features is the relative and the mildness of these coastal lines of the Alaska also, and British Columbia that are the favorable and the warm air mass from the Pacific continental air mass means well over and corresponding eastern coastal lines, and their Labradors and currents before the North America, New York as far the south as the latitude 40 degree north, freezing in January, and their winter in the continental interior are experimentally and cold, and however the small area in the continental and the interior benefits from the moderating influence also the Great Lakes and only when the occupational and the Chinook, describe the eastern slope and the Rocky Mountain of the Canada and North United States, and as the salt and spell cause. The Chinook rents and there the temperature due to heating of the decreasing of the year. By comparison, the mean annual range of temperature is extreme over most of the continental except the west coast land and more tropical and the south. And also, that the precipitation, the regional variation, the precipitation are also marked as those the temperature and western and eastern stream and bring the heavy orographic rainfall, and there are the Pacific coastal in the northern part, and by contrast the part of tropical high pressure area extremely dry in the summer inherent, and the interior of the southeastern part of the continent experiments occasionally convection storm, and there sometimes disturbance the thunder cyclone type. The main annual precipitation in the region and decrease, what is the Atlantic to the Rocky, also they are increasingly considered California, and this is the Mediterranean type of region of the winter rain and summer also. And the land utilization, originally a large part of the Anglo-America was first and the covered even through the large both Canada and USA, and further survived the several extension area northwestern and United States, and also the Canada suffered from the deforestation and sometime and these are some and the problem and many different difficulty. Canada, the chief industrial region of the US and Canada, situated in the northeastern part of USA, and the chief industrial belt of Canada extend in the southeastern part of Canada. This is due to the number of factors favoring the industrial development in this part. And firstly, I talk about the northwestern part of USA, and adjoining there are the southeastern part of Canada, were the first to the occupied by the European settled. As a result of early settlement of these parts, also the technology of the industrial revolution got transplanted and from the Western Europe, the earliest and the coal reserve of the North Appalachian region of the hydroelectricity electricity resource of this fall line and the Niagara Fall, and provide their example power. Presence of the iron ore in close and proximately there are the power generating, and these are very important. This region accounts more than half of the total volume of manufacturing and producing the North America, including most large iron and steel industry, and also some of the chief minimum plants and principal and the printing and the publishing and different type of industry, food processing work, and some of the cotton and chemical and factories were the most and cited in the continent, the New York and Chicago and Philippines, and there are the Toronto and some. The very large of the diversification population of this region provide not only value surface, and the second important industrial region has the emigrates in the southern part of the land masses during the later half the 20th century, like in the northwestern and United States. This area also developed in the major industrial region, Iran, the Ravli and the Atlantic coastal, and there are the different Appalachian region and Gulf of Coast also and the witnessed and the large scale of industrial development during the recent period. Texas is today a highly industrialized state in the part of where the oil refineries, metal, and the some different type of the metal and the manufacture of the petrochemical free eminence and number of small area and Pacific coastal have also taken up many new industry, and this area including the Los Angeles and metropolitan area, San Francisco, Oklahoma, and there are different region. And there are next I talk about there are the North America, US and Canada. Their population and densely many national and the origins and the language are represent the Anglo-America. Both the Canada and USA are called the melting pots on the European culture, and through the people British origin the numerous and this volume, and there are the specifically I talk, and there are the division the Canada, basically there are Canada feature of the physically, you can see the Canada lies entirely in the cold, temperate and polar zone. The southmost point of the country is the free inlands, and while the northwesternmost point and the Ellesmere Island, Canadian and sovereignly there are the North Pole due to the cold temperature. Polar location part of the country has the climate warmer, cold temperature. The northern part of the country remaining icebound the water, and the structure, the structure division of the Canada: Western Cordillera, Appalachian Mountain, Arctic archaeology, and the Canadian Laurentian Shield, and Great Lake of the St. Lawrence and Depression, and Central Lowlands also. First I talk about the Western Cordillera. Basically the main physical features in this region: the shared US extend and regularly from the northwest to southwest the Cordillera, and include the number of mountain range and running parallel to the westernmost, and range is formed by the coastal mountain or the coastal range in the Rocky Mountain forms in the eastern range also, and other important mountains of mountain range zone including the Mackenzie Mountains and northwestern and sector of the Cordillera, and mountain in the north central segments on the Seal Creek, and the mountain near the US and Canadian border between the coastal range in the Rockies lies in the district and the British Columbia on the upper Yukon Basin also. And Appalachian Mountain, this region structurally there are the presiding and the representing their extents on the Appalachian region from the US into the maritime province, the Newfoundlands, and the main features of Appalachians in this region, and northwest is the southwest, and since Appalachian are an example of very wild mountain, there are the exceed 1,200 meters also. And another there Arctic archaeologically there are this regions around sensitive US, and these are unique and Canadian largely mountain but that belong neither the Cordillera nor to the Appalachian system. The elevation of the entire region is low, and only the peak of hill of the mountain region also visible. The group of Iceland that number of into hundreds, and Canadian or Laurentian Shield. This is the most important physical units of Canada, covering more than half of the country. The coastal of the frontier into the US and consists mainly of complex the resistance rocks around. These are the rest of continental has grown found the southern shore of Hudson Bay, and the silt has been the buried beneath, and the rock formed during the Paleozoic, and the rock from the coastal lowlands also. And this is very interesting. There are the Great Lakes and the St. Lawrence Depression, the between the Laurentian and Shield and the Appalachian lies lowlands area through the consisting down bedrocks, big rocks, and the basin of river St. Lawrence and the lower course of its tributaries, and the Great Lake of North America, Superior, Erie, Michigan, Huron, and the Oronto, and occupy the lowlands area part of the basin. And four of Great Lakes are shared the US and Canada, and fifth lake there the Michigan is confined to the US alone. Central lowlands, and it's very important there. This region lies between the Cordillera to its west and the Silt into the east, and lowlands extend to the north up to the Arctic, and they compare of the mountains rolling the plain and thus towards the west. The region is largely flooded by almost the horizontal beds of the sediment rocks. The sediment rocks are region being the Paleozoic and also the Tertiary era, and crystalline rocks of the silt of Precambrian era are buried under the more recent strata. Very interesting about the Canada. The Canadian economy, the primary resource like the forest, wildlife, mineral and agriculture resources have been there the cheapest base of Canadian economy, and since early days Canada has been mainly their source of primary and product the fast, and there are precious and base metal to this the produce many worldwide, and while the Canada continuously produce, and there are the export all those the commodities and manufacturing also, and the fishing is very necessary here. Fishing and for collecting and the trading have been there are the oldest commercial occupation of the inhabitants of the land masses. Farming Canada, this economic activities still make there considerably, and the fishing undertaking in the several part of the ocean. Important fishing ground, the Northwest Atlantic, and this eastern fishing region of this region, including not only the most offshore the fisheries of the Atlantic province, the Canada, but also the fish at the more distinct the bank and the offshores, and the Nova Scotia has been the chief Nova Scotia fish. And while the Newfoundland has the importance of the cold fish area of convergence of Gulf Stream and the Labrador currents, and Newfoundlands and the one of the richest fishing grounds of the north of the Atlantic Ocean. There are the Northeast Pacific. This is the second important tank in Canada in terms of the fish catch and zone of the cod, some the best, and the salmon in the world. Also, there are considerably quantities there in the deep sea fish also, and inland fisheries, and there are the first people to explore the interior of the Canada have been the Fort Raft and the Canada, and they have for long and been using the Canada river source and fish, and also the considerably added their food supply the fish resource, and there are a long time and have been developed only during 20th century, and Manitoulin lakes and the Great Silver Lakes, Great Lakes have also been important water bodies for the fish and this Canada. And for trapping basically, and this is the important economic activities, mainland forest, and for long efforts, and have obtained the large number of, and the tradition export of Canada, and Winnipeg is principal for collecting a city in the modern time. However, development of farming activities has led to reduced importance of the industry, and the Canada farm facilities selected for production. They can produce far more of the uniform size, and for this the produce do not get damaged, as well as the collect and the using various kind of trap etc. Lumbering period and the empirical of the occupational probability, more 60% of the Canada was covered by forest, and lumbering therefore is the long been and the important occupation of the Canada, and over the half of Canada forests are productive, and however not it all. There are the productive forest consists the softwood, and the Canada world one US produce more swamp and the timber. Canada, it is the world principal of the export and most important the timber producing region extend over the province of British Columbia, and different there are the softwood industry here also, and also there are the agriculture. There are agriculture in this region. Canada is a large country, but due to it is cold climate, the growing season over most part of the country too short, and it is only the southern part, and there are crops like wheat and can be grown, and the cultivation and also very limited. And however, due to the low density of the population, Canada is the formulated fostering and the producing in the surplus, and some part of the peripheries, and however only these are area, climate and the soil and US. Hence there are the Oriental Lake and Peninsula, St. Lawrence and different there are the Iceland and few coastal line valley and distinct there are southern British Columbia and maritime province that are the ridge in the farmland, and between there are the prairies and the Great Lakes, St. Lawrence and lowlands area produce about 90% of the Canadian agriculture output, and extensive grain farming dominates the agriculture economy of the Prairies area. And there are some valley, Okanagan Valley on the Lake of on the southern Ontario, and the Annapolis Valley in the Nova Scotia, and Avila the Canada chief fruit, and they are the chief export also. And also their mining is very important in this region. Also in the activity is the Canada, and it is the primary industry. It is takes second place only the agriculture in the economic and the country. And important aspect of the spatial distribution of mineral, and this is that they occur in a broader sense in this area not suitable for agriculture. Most of the mineral is occur to the Canadian Shield and the Cordillera Appalachian. Only important there are mineral deposit located the agriculture area, and coal and petroleum and potash deposit. There are the different manufacturing industry, and Canada also their wood and production and the nickel, and chiefly there are the Sudbury and deposit, and there are the Ontario and Absvinter from the eastern township and Quebec, and she has recently attained an important place also among the zinc producing country in the world. And other leading minerals including there are the Potash South and platinum metal, gold, silver and cobalt, uranium also. And power resource there are the four country that secretly stripped and beyond their industrial development. Canada has abundant resource supply power, and since 1950, and their Canada chief coalfield area Cape Breton Island, Nova Scotia and Alberta and British Columbia. However, since 1960 and place coal are found, and Alberta is now grown there enormously. And today petrochemical there Canada's most valuable minerals. Hydroelectricity has long been the chief source, and the electricity Canada is the second to only US as a generator. These are from energy, a part of Kemango and the river, and this project British Columbia, and the first commercial power station using and clear the fuel, and the Canada, Ontario and Quebec. Also the country has several uranium and mines, especially important those Alert Lake near the Geoghegan Bay, Level Lake Horn, and manufacturing industry. There are the important primary product among the Canadian export generally not released. Their manufacturing now come fast among the Canadian industry. Both is the employment and the value of the output. And Canada, however, is not a manufacturing industry is long standing the countries, and the steel industry half of the large UK, and the produce is the great varieties of the goods, and including the motor cars and aircrafts and machinery tools and different automobile industry also, and also their aluminum industry, and there are the many petrochemical and chemical industry, well, and cotton and woolen industry, an important textile industry, cloth and manufacturing industry also. Great Lakes, St. Lawrence area and Quebec and both the region. And thank you for watching. Once again, if you are new, must will subscribe and share my channel. Thank you to all.